Okay, so to do a SKP or a slip knit pass, which is just another decrease, is first we're going to take our right hand needle and slip the first loop knitwise. So go in from the left and just slide it over to your right hand needle. Then we're going to do the knit part and we're going to knit the next stitch just like normal. Then we're going to take the stitch that we just slipped and pass it back over, kind of like a bind off. So go purlwise with your left hand needle and slide it over the stitch on your needle, and you've now decreased one stitch. So again, we're going to slip knitwise, knit one, and then grab that loop that we just slipped and pass it over. You can see it creates a left leaning decrease because we're pulling it that way. Again, slip one, knit one, and then pass the stitch that we just slipped back over. One more time, slip one, knit one, pass it back over. That's the SKP or slip knit pass. If you have any questions, leave them below, and thank you for watching.